All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today, first look at the Bosch ADS625. All right, so if you don't know, I am sponsored by OTC Bosch. They sent me the tool, full disclosure, very similar to the OTC Encore as far as the interface. Now this is Bosch's top of the line. All right, so the tool is wireless, and this is actually a J-Box as well that you can use with a laptop to do programming. There's a separate software you can download on your laptop, but you can use this for programming purposes. Now, I'll show you some B-roll of this hooked to the car, but it's got a long cable. I mean, I can't even fit it on the screen, and it outputs the voltage of the vehicle. So let's go ahead and hook it up. All right, so we're going to hit select vehicle, auto ID. Down here in this corner it shows the green. That indicates it's hooked to the wireless dongle. It's going to read mode 9 for the VIN to auto ID it. Now it comes with a base that is charging stand. So we're going to hit that, okay. Now we got plenty of options, read DTCs, special tests, data stream. We're just going to hit read all DTCs. And it's going to go through building our controller list. It's going to read all the vehicle's DTCs. Now during the scan, this is something I actually like a lot, is you can go ahead and open it up and look at the codes while it's still scanning. So we can go pull body control module, you know. Really nice thing about the DTC scan. Now I'm going to go ahead and stop it because I don't want to sit here and wait for it to scan. I'm actually not diagnosing the car. Car's here for an overheat. By the way, it is a 2006 Infiniti G35. So we can go into data stream. We can select whatever we want, continue. We can customize, go customize all data groups. Set it up so you can scroll however you want. And then we can pick throttle, cooling fan, whatever, vehicle speed. Hit continue. You're going to come up with your standard PIDs. You can hit expand. You can expand again, go even bigger, and then you just have to either scroll through the data. Now that's something I don't like, is when you scroll, it does that. So if you're watching a lot of PIDs, I would stay with the smaller PIDs until you need to, zoom in. But it refreshes quickly. I've had no problems with it as far as that. Now I have had one issue where it didn't have the function to do a oil life relearn on a Volkswagen. I'm sure they'll fix that at some point, but it didn't have it. And I don't remember the year. It was just an oil change, and I was just trying to get it banged out and get it out. So I just switched tools and moved on. Now I've only had the tool for a little bit, so I can't give you a ton of examples of all the stuff it'll do, but Now, one thing I have noticed is, if I can get the glare off, is the Wi-Fi and my hutch don't like each other, but what comes with this scan tool is information. Part of the package, as long as you keep the tool updated, you have wiring diagrams, service information built into the tool. So, you're diagnosing a car, you need a wiring diagram, you can go ground distribution, and you instantly have a wiring diagram to look up. Now, you can tell it's Nissan and they suck, their wiring diagrams do, but ready-made information. Back. Close that out. Obviously, it's a tablet. You can put quick links to any of your other subscriptions: Identifix, Mitchell, AllData, AutoData, MotorLogic. Let's say you're in a car, you're diagnosing it, you need information, diagnostic information. It's going to pull up motor, and there's all your information. If you need to do engine management, fuel injection, component service, all that stuff is right here on the tool. And as long as you keep the subscription updated, it's on the tool. So really nice feature. And unlike another tool I talked about that I don't own, it's not an additional fee other than keeping your tool updated. All right, so this is the dongle and hooked up. I've got 12.3 volts on the vehicle. I've been filming, so when I started it was 12.7, so hopefully it starts in the morning. But it shows PC connection, vehicle connection, all that kind of good stuff. I hope you like this first look at the Bosch ADS625. Once I get some seat time with it, I'll give you an update. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.